Hey, can you see me? You see the face you never met. You see the light overnight. You see her promotion in her prime. You see the speaker full of pride. You see me, but not all of me. There's more. More real, more quality-oriented, more open to suggestions, more loyal, more consuming power. We are more than just professionals. With your brand, we can be defined. Personality defined. Lifestyle defined. Confidence defined. Success defined. Careers defined. Moments can be more meaningful. We celebrate every achievement. We are a republic of pursuers, pursued by great,